Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening SongMaker and immediately set the musical parameters so your ideas fit. Choose tempo and key. This frames melody and rhythm and makes later edits predictable. Once done, select grid size and turn on drums if you want percussion. Make sure the scale is correct. It prevents clashing notes as you build. You won't waste time fighting wrong pitches later, and these first steps let you place notes confidently and hear structure right away. Now you place notes, starting with a simple motif and expanding it into a phrase. Click to add notes, drag to extend them, and use octave shifts to create contrast. This lets you craft tension and release. Once a motif works, duplicate and vary it, then add chords to support the melody. Use the quantize setting for tighter timing and experiment with drum layers to lock groove. These middle steps are where small adjustments transform a sketch into a coherent track. Finish by playing the whole piece, looping sections and smoothing transitions so the track feels intentional. Once satisfied, export as MIDI or download an audio file and give it a clear name. Make sure to save iterations so you can revert changes if needed. If you hear no sound, check Chrome's audio permissions, the output device, and tab muting. Also try refreshing the page. These final checks get your song out into the world without surprises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.